A wicked sorcerer's curse grips the land, plunging it into despair. The royal couple strategize as the curse threatens their kingdom's survival. A young princess embarks on a quest to break the sorcerer's malevolent spell. Armed with innocence and curiosity, she seeks answers to the kingdom's plight. A revelation stirs within her, hinting at a power waiting to be unleashed. Malevolent forces conspire as the royal family's resolve is put to the test. The princess unlocks a hidden potential, crucial for breaking the sorcerer's curse. A last challenge looms, testing the unity and courage of the royal family. Through unity and love, they confront the sorcerer and shatter the curse. Prosperity blooms anew as the curse is lifted, thanks to the royal family's bravery. The young princess learns the value of her role in preserving her family's legacy.